In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple profiles in Outlook. If you use Outlook for more than one email account, it's helpful to know how to access and manage multiple profiles from one place. This can make it easier to switch between personal and work accounts, or simply keep different inboxes organized without confusion. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get started quickly. First, go to Outlook. Open your browser and navigate to the Outlook website, making sure you're signed into the account you want to start from. Once Outlook has fully loaded, you should be on your main mail screen where you can see your inbox and the rest of the navigation options. If your inbox doesn't appear right away, just give it a moment for the page to finish loading before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is the small account picture or initials that represent the account you're currently using. Clicking this icon opens the account menu, which is where Outlook keeps options related to your signed-in identity and account switching. If you don't immediately recognize the icon, look for the circular image or initials near the upper right edge of the page. After that, select Accounts from the menu. This is the area where Outlook lets you view and manage account-related options. From here, you can begin working with multiple profiles more easily, depending on how your Outlook setup is configured. This section is especially useful if you regularly switch between different accounts and want a central place to manage them. As a quick tip, make sure you're signed into the correct primary account before opening the account menu, especially if you already use more than one Microsoft account in the same browser. That can help avoid confusion when switching between profiles. It's also a good idea to use clear profile pictures or account names when possible, so each account is easier to identify at a glance. And that's it. Once you know where to find the profile icon and the accounts option, managing multiple profiles in Outlook becomes much more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.